Hi guys, good morning, and let me thank you all for your support for my last video, that is day in the life of a day trader. Almost 2 lakh views within 1 week. So thanks for liking this video and supporting this video. When I gone through comment section, I've seen that most of the comments are for live trading. Most of the comments, they are saying that they like my analysis, how I do the analysis before market opens, how I take the trade, what basis, everything. There are so many comments. People are saying that they want more this kind of video where I do the analysis and do the live trading. So I decided, let me make one video on live trading as well as my analysis. I felt there can't be a better day than today, because today is the weekly expiry. Today is the 14th January and today is the weekly expiry day. So I thought, let me make a video on weekly expiry, how I do trading on weekly expiry, how I analyze the chart, which options I sell it, how I sell it, how I do the analysis. So everything I'll show you in today's live trading. So market is yet to open. Market will open at 9:15. So I have already prepared the chart. So I'll just go through my charts and I'll show you what all the levels I'm looking for, and same time I will do live trading also. I'll show you where I enter, where I exit, where I keep my stop loss. Everything you are going to see live in today's special video on weekly expiry trading.
Hi guys, welcome to this live expiry trading, and today date is 14th of January, time is 8:53. That means still around 20-25 minutes to go for the market, and I have already marked important levels. Let me tell you about the yesterday's price action, that is 13th of January. What was the price action, where I have marked the important levels for today. So let me just brief it about the Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, you can see that yesterday was a kind of sideways day. It went up, came down, again it went up, and yesterday's open was here, close almost at the same level. Can you see the same level? So whenever you see this kind of same level, that means it is a sideways day. It is not a trending day yesterday. Just look at the overall market direction. Anybody can tell you that this is a strong uptrend, right? Strong uptrend. We are in the strong bull market. How long it goes, no one knows, but we are in the strong uptrend or bull market. Okay, this is the 5 minutes chart of Bank Nifty here. Yesterday market went here, faced resistance, came to the CPR. From CPR again market bounced, correct? So for me today, this is the important level. So these are the two levels I am looking for, either as a support or resistance. Today is Thursday, expiry day. Selling options can give you edge, because all out of the money call and put option is going to become zero. So I'll be interested more in selling out of the money call or put option, depends on market direction. If market is staying between these two range today, then I look for CPR. I will trade near the CPR. I am more interested on these two levels. This level, I don't know whether it can come or no, because when I seen SGX Nifty, it was around 20 points in Nifty. So we may open somewhere here in this level, near the previous day close. Okay. Same like Bank Nifty you have seen. Nifty also in strong uptrend. Look at the uptrend. It is like, so Nifty also in strong uptrend. Same like Bank Nifty. So when I went to smaller time frame, I can see that same like Nifty, this is the supply zone in Nifty. This is the supply zone in Nifty, because big crash from here, and this is the demand zone in Nifty. I mean, we are likely to see average size CPR. So I don't expect very wide CPR today in Nifty. Either it can be average CPR or it can be narrow CPR. Now time is 9:03, another 10 to 12 minutes to go for the market to open. Now you can see my Zerodha watch list. This is my watch list, and you can see that in watch list I have marked some of the out of the money call and put option. So I still don't know which call or put option I am selling, but I just marked some of the call or put option which I am looking for. Once market opens, then I'll look for the options which is still out of the money based on the premium price. Okay, based on my position sizing, everything that all depends later. I just marked it. Not that I'm going to sell only call or put option what I marked here, nothing like that. But I'll be interested to sell only OTM option, out of the money option. Reason is today is the expiry day. On expiry day, out of the money option will become almost zero by the time market closes. Because expiry day, all out of the money option becomes almost zero. So if you sell option, if you know the direction of the market, if you sell option, whatever the premium it is trading currently, it is likely to become almost zero by the time market closes at 3:30. Okay, so that is why direction is important. You should know the direction of the market. If you know the direction, then you can sell option much easier. Why? Because if you know that today market is going to go up, then sell out of the money put option. If you think that market today is likely to go down, then sell out of the money call option. Because of weekly expiry, you will get theta advantage. Okay guys, market has just opened and you can see that market opened with a bullish candle and facing resistance at the same supply zone which I marked yesterday. So will I go long here? I will not go long at all because now it is at the supply zone, at the resistance. Supply zone is nothing but resistance. It is coming near the resistance. So I will not go long. Even though it is looking bullish candle, I will not go long. Look at this. Look at this. How it is facing resistance. Exactly same supply zone which I said at the pre-market analysis. So you need patience. Okay, have patience if you want to become a trader. Have patience. Don't jump into the trade just as market opens. So let us see whether this level gets broken or no. Look at this. It is showing me bullishness, but still that level has not been broken. Bank Nifty trying to break this level, trying to break the supply zone. Let us see whether it will be able to break or no. If you want to sell this option, how much money you need? You need 45,000 rupees in your account to sell one lot. Okay, to sell one lot. So that is what in options you need bigger margin if you want to sell option. Suppose if I want to go for 10 lots, look at this. You need 4,57,000 rupees to sell 10 lots of put option. But same time, if I want to buy the option, okay, if I want to buy this option, look at this. You need only 1,600 rupees to buy one lot. In option selling, you have seen you need at least 45,000-50,000 to sell option. Buying option, only you need 1,698. If you want to buy 10 lots, you can see that you need only 16,000. So that is why option buying is cheaper, but option selling have an edge on expiry day. Still I not taken any position. I'll take my position somewhere here. The reason why I'm taking position somewhere here, because this is the day's low support, right? First candle low support. Then you can see there is a CPR support. So that is the reason I will be interested to buy somewhere here. Okay guys, after waiting for almost more than 1.5 hours, now I went long here. I went long here at the day's low support as well as CPR support. So I seen there is a support for both CPR and day's low. That is the initial balance low. I went long by selling 32,500 put option. Okay, I sold 32,500 put option here. So now I'm bullish. My stop loss is below the CPR. Okay, my stop loss is below the CPR. I went to long here. I went to long with a entry called ambush entry. I made a YouTube video also on ambush entry. Ambush entry means not waiting for candle close, just entering the trade before even candle close. Okay, so I taken an ambush entry so that I get a better entry. The reason why I entered here, because it was the day slow support, there was a CPR support, so I had two supports, so that is why I decided to take a long position. So that is the reason behind taking the trade. So patience pays. And the reason why I sold put option, because even though market stays sideways till 330 like this, I'm going to make profit, because this option will become out of the money option if this trade stays above this level. Even though market stays like this entire day, it will be out of the money option. I sold this option. I could have sold this option also, but I was getting better premium here, so I sold 32,500 put option. So let us see. Already I'm in profit. You can see that now market is coming down, my profit also coming down from around 10 to 11,000 profit. Now I am in profit of just 4,000. So that's why MTM will be up and down. It will not be stagnant, that if it is going up mean it keeps going up. Sometimes profit will come down also. But what is important? Important is you should stick to your role. Even though profit is coming down now, I'm not getting emotional that all my profit gone. I'm cool. I'm not worried about the profit. I'm worried about following the rule. Okay, trading without emotion. Look at this. From 10,000, 11,000, now profit is in the range of 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. Okay guys, you can see that now why suddenly my MTM is going up. The reason is 32,500 put option, 32,500 put option has become OTM again. It has gone into OTM. It has become ITM. That's why you are seeing that I was into minus, I was into negative. Now my profit is 22,000. My profit is 22,000. Why? Because 32,500 put option is OTM again now, and market is almost closing now. 3-5. We have only 20 minutes left. So that is what the option selling. And I'm done. I squared off my position, and you can see that profit of 23,197. This is the profit for today after having the roller coaster ride. That is how option selling is done. You don't have to look at option chain. You don't have to look at open interest analysis. You can take the trades, directional based trades, if you know the direction of the market. If you have chart reading skills. Okay guys, you have seen that my entry was somewhere here. I was expecting market to touch base high, where I was thinking that I took my profit, but it did not go till base high. It reversed, and finally I squared off my position somewhere here. My entry price my entry and my exit is same, almost nearer to that, based on spot chart, right? Entry exit was same, my stop loss was here, it only came till here, it did not take my stop loss, and finally I made a profit of 23,000 rupees, even though my entry and exit were at the same place, not much movement, right? How come I made a profit of 23,000 then? The reason is, out of the money put option I sold, OTM I sold, right? I told you that I sold 32,500 put option, and because of the theta advantage on option selling, option out of the money option keep losing its premium like ice cube. It keeps melting when it remains out of the money option. So that is how I made profit, even though my entry and exit almost at the same. So this is how option selling you can do it on expiry days, provided you know the direction of the market. You should know the direction of the market. Direction of the market, how you will know? For that, you need to have chart reading skills. You need to know how to read the chart, and option selling can give you that advantage, because so that is what option selling benefit is. Even though market stays sideways, can help you in making profit, especially on expiry days.
Okay guys, that's about today's video on live trading on weekly expiry. If you are interested to learn how to read the chart, how to analyze the chart, where to enter, where to exit, where to stop loss, then you can plan to attend my webinar. I conduct my webinar normally on weekends, where I discuss 15 different patterns and strategies for day traders. So if you are interested, you can go below this video in the description section, and if you are interested, you can contact me on WhatsApp or email. If you are into full-time job, you think that day trading is not possible for you, then you can even purchase my swing trading course for people who are into full-time job. That also link you can see below this video in the description section. If you are interested, you can purchase that course. So that's it guys, thanks, and I hope you have learned a lot in today's live trading. Let me know how did you find this video. If you want to see more live videos like this, put it in the comment section. I'll see you again soon with a new video. Thanks and take care.